Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add links to your Facebook profile. So first just open your Facebook profile, and here I'm going to just click on the three dots icon, click on the name of your Facebook, and here click on edit profile. Okay, just scroll down and you'll find links. Here, links menu, click on add, and then here you can just add your social link, which in this case like your social platform like Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, Twitch, WhatsApp, or any others. Just click on this. You can also add the username. Here you can also add your a website address if you have any. Just type in here, and after that click on save when you're done. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.